Warm greetings, digital enthusiasts. Welcome to Digital Marketing Domination Guide, your guide to mastering the art of digital marketing and turning it into a potent income-generating tool for the year 2024. I'm your navigator on this exciting journey, where we'll unlock the strategies that will propel your online success. From social media marketing mastery to content creation strategies, SEO tactics, email marketing excellence, and precision in paid advertising, we've got it all covered. Prepare to unlock the strategies that will catapult your online success. Social media is the heartbeat of digital marketing. It's a vibrant, pulsating platform where brands come alive and interact directly with their audience. Now let's delve into how you can master social media marketing and turn this dynamic platform into your brand's powerhouse. First off, we need to talk about content. It's the core of your social media presence, the key to capturing attention and sparking interest. But it's not just about creating content, it's about crafting compelling content. This means content that resonates, content that tells a story, content that adds value. It's about understanding what your audience wants and delivering it in an engaging and authentic way. Now, let's move on to the enigma that is social media algorithms. These algorithms are constantly changing, and understanding them can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, but don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. The trick is to stay updated, to be adaptable, and to focus on the key factors that algorithms favor. These include engagement, relevance, and recency. Remember, the algorithm is your friend, not your foe. It's there to ensure that the right content reaches the right people at the right time. Next, we need to discuss community building. A follower count is just a number, but a community, now that's a force. An engaged community is a loyal community, a community that supports, shares, and advocates for your brand. So how do you build such a community? It's about fostering conversations, being responsive, and showing appreciation. It's about being more than just a brand. It's about being a part of the conversation, a part of the community. Finally, we have the ultimate goal of social media marketing, converting followers into customers. This is the stage where all your hard work pays off. But remember, conversion is not a one-time event, it's a journey. It's about nurturing relationships, building trust, and providing value consistently. It's about guiding your followers through the customer journey, from awareness to consideration to the final decision. With these strategies, you will dominate the social landscape. But remember, social media marketing is not a set-and-forget strategy. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. So keep experimenting, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey, because in the world of social media, the journey is just as important as the destination. Content is king, but not all content is created equal. The digital realm is saturated with content, making it crucial for your brand to cut through the noise and resonate with your audience. So, how do we achieve that? It all boils down to three key elements: storytelling, visual elements, and consistency. Storytelling is a powerful tool in content creation. It's not just about telling a story. It's about weaving a narrative that your audience can connect with. This involves understanding your audience's needs, wants, and pain points, and then framing your content in a way that addresses these aspects. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy stories and the emotions they evoke. By infusing your content with a compelling narrative, you're not just selling a product or service, you're selling an experience. Next, let's talk about visual elements. In a world where attention spans are shrinking, visuals can be a game changer. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in digital marketing, that couldn't be more accurate. Whether it's a well-designed infographic, a captivating image, or a compelling video, visual content can significantly boost engagement and retention. But remember, it's not just about creating visually appealing content. It's about ensuring that these visuals align with your brand identity and effectively communicate your message. Finally, consistency is key. Consistency in content creation does not imply monotonous repetition. Instead, it involves maintaining a steady stream of relevant, high-quality content that aligns with your brand's voice and values. This helps build trust and credibility with your audience, and over time turns casual visitors into loyal followers and customers. In a nutshell, creating engaging content is a delicate balance of crafting compelling narratives, incorporating impactful visuals, and maintaining consistency. It's about understanding your audience and delivering value in a way that resonates with them. And remember, content creation is an iterative process. Keep experimenting, learning, and improving. So as we step into 2024, let's not forget the golden rule of content creation. It's not about what you want to say, it's about what your audience wants to hear and how they want to hear it. With the right content, your brand will truly stand out. Now let's get your content noticed with effective SEO tactics. But before we dive in, let's demystify what SEO really is. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the art and science of optimizing your content so that search engines like Google love it. It's about making your content discoverable, relevant, and valuable to your target audience. So, how does one charm these search engines? Well, it starts with keywords. Keywords are the phrases or terms that your audience types into the search bar. Your goal is to identify these keywords and naturally incorporate them into your content. There's a plethora of tools, like Google's Keyword Planner or SEMrush, that can help you uncover these golden nuggets. Remember, it's not about stuffing your content with keywords, it's about creating meaningful content around them. Next, we venture into the realm of on-page optimization. This is all about ensuring each page of your website is search engine friendly. It includes elements like your title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. These elements should not only contain your keywords, but also provide a clear and concise summary of your page's content. On-page optimization also involves ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, has a fast load speed, and provides an overall great user experience. Now, let's talk backlinks. Backlinks are the links from other websites that point to your website. They're like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines. The more quality backlinks you have, the more authoritative your site appears, and the higher it ranks. To build backlinks, consider guest posting on reputable sites, creating shareable content, or engaging in digital PR. And finally, we can't forget about content. Quality content is the backbone of SEO. It's what attracts visitors, keeps them engaged, and encourages them to share your content. So ensure your content is valuable, relevant, and unique. But remember, SEO isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and constant tweaking. Keep up to date with the ever-evolving search engine algorithms and adjust your strategies accordingly. Master these SEO tactics and watch your online visibility soar. Your content will not only reach a wider audience, but also drive organic traffic, which is a treasure trove of potential customers. So get started with your SEO journey and let the search engines become your best allies in digital marketing domination. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted email. In the world of digital marketing, email continues to be a formidable force. It's like the classic black dress in your wardrobe, timeless, reliable, and always in style. And the beauty of email marketing? It's all about building meaningful connections. But how do we transform this traditional tool into a modern marketing marvel? Firstly, let's talk about building a responsive list. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. You want a list of people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. So, how do you build such a list? Start with offering value. Can you provide a free resource, a discount, or exclusive access in exchange for an email address? Think about what your potential customers would find irresistible and offer that as a lead magnet. Now that you have your list, it's time to create compelling campaigns. A compelling campaign is like a great story. It has a beginning, middle, and end. It captures attention, provides value, and ends with a clear call to action. Remember, your emails are not just about selling, they're about building a relationship. So make sure your emails are personable, engaging, and most importantly, valuable. Let's move on to the piece de resistance, converting subscribers into loyal customers. This is where the magic happens. But remember, magic doesn't occur in an instant. It's a process. To convert subscribers into loyal customers, you need to nurture your relationship with them. Be consistent with your emails, provide value, and listen to their feedback. Over time, this trust and value you provide will turn subscribers into loyal customers. But what if I told you that you could take this even further? With the power of automation, you can ensure that your subscribers receive personalized emails based on their actions or stage in the customer journey. This helps maintain a consistent connection and makes each subscriber feel valued and understood. After all, who doesn't like a personal touch? So let's recap. Email marketing isn't just about sending emails, it's about building connections, providing value, and nurturing relationships. And with the right strategies in place, your email marketing can turn your subscribers into your biggest fans. With effective email marketing, your customer base will grow exponentially. So gear up, craft those compelling emails, and watch your business thrive. When done right, paid advertising can be a game changer. Remember that line because it's the key to unlocking the full potential of this powerful digital marketing strategy. Let's delve into the world of paid advertising and see how it can propel your online success to unprecedented heights. Imagine online advertising platforms as a vast digital marketplace, bustling with opportunities to showcase your brand to the world. From Google Ads to social media platforms, there's a plethora of options to choose from. Each platform offers unique benefits, so it's crucial to understand your business needs and audience preferences before making a choice. For instance, if your business thrives on visuals, Instagram ads might be your best bet. On the other hand, if your target audience is professionals, LinkedIn ads could be a better fit. The key is to match the platform with your marketing goals and audience. Now, let's talk about budgeting strategies. Think of your advertising budget as an investment, not an expense. It's about allocating resources wisely to generate the maximum return on investment, or ROI for short. Start small, test different strategies, measure the results, and then scale up the ones that work best. Remember, the goal is not to spend more, but to spend smarter. But how do you ensure that your ads reach the right people at the right time? That's where ad targeting comes in. It's about defining and understanding your ideal customer, their demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. With this information, you can create tailored ads that resonate with your audience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. It's like having a conversation with your customers, understanding their needs, and offering them exactly what they're looking for. Maximizing your ROI is all about making every penny count. It involves monitoring your campaigns closely, analyzing the data, and making necessary adjustments. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and improving. And with the right approach, it can lead to significant growth in traffic, leads, and sales. To wrap up, paid advertising is a powerful tool that can help you reach a larger audience, increase visibility, and drive more conversions. It's about choosing the right platform, budgeting wisely, targeting effectively, and continuously optimizing your campaigns. When done right, it can indeed be a game changer. So, take the plunge. Dive into the world of paid advertising, experiment, learn, and grow. Leverage paid advertising and watch your business scale new heights. Let's draw inspiration from real success stories. Picture this, a small-time artist named Jane struggling to sell her art in local galleries. She decided to turn to digital marketing, using social media to showcase her work. By consistently engaging with her followers and sharing her creative process, she built a community of art enthusiasts. This community didn't just admire her work, they bought it. Today, Jane's art is not just in galleries, but in homes across the globe. Then there's Sam, a freelance writer who was barely making ends meet. When he discovered the power of SEO, he began optimizing his online portfolio, using the right keywords, and creating valuable content. Within months, his website was attracting high-quality clients. Now he's fully booked months in advance, earning more than he ever thought possible. And let's not forget about Anaya, a tech startup founder. She used paid advertising to precisely target her potential customers. By optimizing her ad spend and constantly testing her strategies, she saw her customer base explode. Today, her startup is thriving, and she's just raised her second round of funding. These journeys show the potential and possibilities awaiting you in the digital realm. They've harnessed the power of digital marketing to transform their businesses. And you can do it too. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. You just need to know where to look and how to leverage them. As we wrap up Digital Marketing Domination Guide, remember that mastering digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. We've unveiled the secrets of social media marketing, content creation, SEO, email marketing, and paid advertising. Now it's your turn to apply these strategies. Stay on the pulse of innovation and watch your digital presence soar. If you found this guide valuable, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and let's start a conversation in the comments. Here's to your digital marketing domination and success in 2024 and beyond.